Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to cover the basic of inequalities. So let's start with symbols. I write here, if you look at this expression, it means x is less than 9. Let me write it, x is less than 9, which means any number that is less than 9, like 8, 7, 0, -2, and so on. What is the next symbol that we are going to talk about it? I write here this expression. It means x is greater than 9 or x is more than 9. Any number that is greater than 9, like 10, 11, 100, 200, and so on. But what is the next symbol that we are going to talk about it? I write here, what is the difference between this symbol and this symbol? Look, this line, it says x is less than or equal to 9. Less than or equal to 9. Less than 9, like 8, 7, 0, -2. But because of this symbol equal to 9 itself can be the answer of this inequality. And next symbol, how can we read this expression? It says x is greater than or equal to 9. Or any numbers that is greater than 9, like 10, 11, 25, 100. But do not forget, because of equal, 9 itself is the solution of this inequality. But the last thing that we need to cover in this topic is this expression. How can we read this expression? It says -2 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 5. This side says -2 is less than or equal to x, and this symbol says x is less than 5. In the other word, any numbers that is between -2 and 5, x has to be between -2 and 5. If we consider x is an integer, x gonna be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It cannot be 5 because it is less than 5, but it can be -2 itself because it is greater than or equal than -2. That is why -2 is the solution of this inequality. But for the last thing, I have a question for you. You can think about it and find the answer. If x is an integer, find the value of x if x is greater than -3 and less than or equal +3. We are going to find the value of x if x is an integer and x is greater than -3 and less than or equal 3. What is the value of x? Find the answer and let me know. Have fun.